Hi there students. I've been asked to make a video about the word aspect. So let's see. An aspect is a feature, a characteristic of something. So this video has three different aspects, or various different aspects. We've got the aspect of formality, we've got the aspect of the different meanings, we have the aspect of how to use the word and examples of it. Okay, so a subject very often has various different aspects, ways that it can be viewed or considered, ways that it can be looked at, or different parts of it. So learning English has various different facets, faces, aspects. You have the aspect of grammar, you have the aspect of vocabulary, you have the aspect of understanding, there's the aspect of writing, and there's the aspect of speaking as well. I'm sure there are more aspects as well. But these are the features of learning English. They're the different parts of it. Okay? So, aspect. It also means the appearance of something, the way it looks. So, the building had a very dark aspect, a very dark appearance, a very gloomy aspect. Yeah, the way it looked was very, very dark. He had a business-like aspect, appearance, the way he looked, the way people viewed him. So notice this is slightly different from the different features, the different aspects, the different parts of something, but the appearance of something, the way you see it, the way you view it. Okay, his aspect was tired and emotional. Okay, now we can also use aspect for the direction that a building is facing. So the garden of the house has a southern aspect. It's facing south. Yeah? Okay, the aspect of this house is such that it catches all of the sun. Notice as well, we can use aspect to mean looking at a building. So the front aspect of the building looks very, or gives an aspect of a very neoclassical building. The side aspect, though, is much more modern. The view from the front, the view from the side. Okay, so viewed from that angle, or positioned in a position. So it has a southern facing aspect. It looks south. Yeah. So what about this word aspect? I think it's neutral, maybe ever so slightly informal, but I'm pretty certain you could use aspect in an informal conversation, and it sounds really good in a more formal document. Okay, what about the origin? It comes from Latin, ad spicere. So ad, to, at, in the direction of, and spicere, to look. So looking at. And that's really clearly part of the meaning. So, aspect. An aspect is a feature, a characteristic of something. Okay, he had a rich aspect, appearance. The side aspect of the building, the side view. Yeah, the building had a southern aspect, was facing south. So the view or facing. So there you go, aspect. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Aspect.